the bird is the only entity I am envious. I am envious of. See, the bird is the only entity I am envious. I am envious of.
See, the bird is the only entity. No other entity could ever waken me. Flying is freedom when you got some energy. Now land safe when you losing energy. You fly away when you feel uneasy. Looking down when you fly above me. It is the reason that you're shitting on me, because no human could ever compete. Give me a wing and some chicken on grease. I build a nest so you keep me company. And CJ God is the only one to see. No flock of birds could ever flock to sea. See the injustice of not ever being free. I was so grounded, but you let me have your wings. Thank you forever, I'm finally free. Thank you forever, I'm finally free.
See, the bird is the only entity I am envious. I am envious of. See, the bird is the only entity I am envious. I am envious of. See, the bird is the only entity I am envious. I am envious of. See, the bird is the only entity I am envious. I am envious of.
I'm envious, indignity, sanctimonious. It's not the guilt you see. I try to spread my wings until my flight complete. I zoom in with my eyes because I am an eagle. I just changed the game. Now I soar like a creature. I'm trying to peck the wood, but I ain't got a beak though. If I was a damn bird, I'd fly from here to the East Coast. The way I fly over Jackson, you would think that I'm Rico. I be everywhere, damn it. Now I'm in Puerto Rico.
See, the bird is the only entity I am envious. I am envious of. See, the bird is the only entity I am envious. I am envious of. See, the bird is the only entity I am envious. I am envious of. See, the bird is the only entity I am envious. I am envious of. See the birds, watch them fly, go away, no bye-bye. Feel the pain, we not free. I am free inside of me.